Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Faria Almira Zakaria, and today I'm going to reviewing an incredible thought-provoking novel that touches on identity, loss, and resilience. So let's dive into it. The book I'll be reviewing today is Saffron Dream, written by Shaila Abdullah, and first published in 2009. This novel takes us into the life of a Pakistani American woman trying to find herself in face of cultural and personal challenge. Um, the book has 22 chapters and center around Amina, the protagonist. She's a young Pakistani woman living in the United States, navigating her life after devastating personal tragedy. She's come to terms with her new reality. Amina faced both internal and external conflict that challenge her cultural identity and personal belief. Shaila Abdullah, the author of Saffron Dreams, is a Pakistani-American writer whose work often explores them and cultural identity women issues. Her writing offers the deep insight into the life of immigrants. And this book, No Exception, Abdullah personal experience is a Pakistani woman living in the West, reflected in her character and story that they carry. Now, let's talk to the plot. Saffron Dreams, followed by Amina, following her find herself window and living alone in aftermath tragedy event involving her husband, Samir, during the 9/11 attacks. As Amina faces immense grief, she's also to comfort cultural expectation and her place in world where she's constantly torn between two identities: her Pakistani heritage and the life she's building in the U.S. The main message of the book about resilient face of loss, how uh, and how one can reconcile personal trauma and cultural identity. Amina's journey is not just about survival, but of understanding who she is amidst it all. Now, let's dive into three major highlights about the book. Along the tropes, first is loss, grieving a process. Second is cultural identity and conflict. And the third is the immigrant experience in the post 9/11 America. Here's powerful quote of the book. Grief is a company always there lurking, waiting for the moment when you lay guard down. This encapsulates the emotional deep Amina goes through. Grief isn't something you can just move past. It's in presence in your life, haunting your even happiest moment. It speaks to first drop the grieving process. Amina's journey shows us how painful and prolonged grief can be and how it changes you as a person. Another key moment comes when Amina says, I'm caught between two worlds, my world of my family expectation and the world of my own dreams. This really highlights the struggle many immigrants face, being caught between the traditional values of their heritage and need to adapt a new culture. The cultural conflict trope is woven throughout the book. Amina constantly grapples with her identity. She's torn between her Pakistani roots and the modern America world she's trying to navigate. In the passage, Amina reflects in America, I'm both invisible and scrutinized. I'm neither here nor there. This quote really struck me as perfectly encapsulates the immigrants' experience, especially in the aftermath of 9/11, when many Muslim and people South Asian descent were few and suspicion Amina feeling between two cultures, not fully accepted by either, is powerful reflection of the isolation immigrant often face. Let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of book. One of the strengths Saffron Dream is the emotional depth. The author captures Amina's journey in such a relatable way that you can help but sympathize with her. The cultural context is also rich, offering a unique perspective of the immigrant experience, especially 9/11 attack. However, the pacing can feel slow at times, especially the first half of the book. Some reader might find a narrative bit repetitive as ominous emotional trauma text center of the stage much of the story. Overall, I definitely recommend Saffron Dream to anyone interested in story about cultural identity, loss, and resilience. If you enjoy the novels that explore the complexity of the personal and cultural transformation, this is one for you. I will give a solid 4 of 5 stars. It's emotional, insightful, and thought-provoking. Thank you for watching. I hope this review gave you a good sense of Saffron Dream. Apologize if I made a mistake along the way. Until next time, see you. Happy reading.